Igwe Nnewi. The Ofala festival is an annual ceremony practiced by Igbo people, particularly the indigenes of Onitsha, Umueri, Umuoji, and the other neighboring communities, such as Aguleri, Nnewi, Okija, Nnobi, Ukpo, and Dunukofia. It serves as a rite of renewal of the Igwe or Obi, and it is similar to the Igwe festival in Benin and the Ine Osi or Obanigbe festival in many Midwest Igbo communities of Nigeria. The term Ofala is derived from two Igbo words, Ofo, which is authority, and Allah, which is land. The festival is celebrated within 2 days by the Igwe and is a customary obligation that must be performed every couple of years without fail. The festival usually starts with a traditional 21-gun salute, followed by an all-night ufie known as the royal gong drumming. Dancing and other cultural activities. Igwe of Nnewi. An Igwe is a king basically, and this is a title used consistently throughout northern Igbo-speaking areas. The term is associated with the sky deity, pointing to the king's elevated status, also to his consecration and installation as something like a divinity on earth. The Igwe of Nnewi would be the king of spirits of Nnewi. Igwe is also the head of the royal cult, and his ancestors are invoked on behalf of the entire town. Most northern Igbo kingships are not hereditary. In a simple sense, however, there are kingly clans whose male members are eligible for kingship, and then there are kingmakers clan whose elders have the task of discovering the new king during the interregnum. But Nnewi, the kingship is a traditional and hereditary monarchy with a tetrarchy system, whereby the four quarters of Nnewi has an Obi, who has autonomous jurisdiction to his quarter alone. But the Igwe is the Isi Obi, and hence the Igwe, which literally translates as the heavenly one, or highness, as the holder of the Ofo, the religious and political symbol. Current Igwe Nnewi. Until now, the ruling house of Otolo, which is as well that of the entire Nnewi, is in Nnofo family in Otolo Nnewi. In the other 3 quarters of Nnewi, his influence is also felt, although there are Obi in Uru Agu, Umudim, and Nnewi Ichi quarters. The present incumbent, Kenneth Onyeneke Orizu, succeeded his father father as Igwe Orizu III in 1963 after the death of his father, Igwe Josiah Orizu II. He was educated at Hope Weddell College, Calabar. Before his enthronement, Kenneth worked as a representative of the then Eastern Nigeria Outlook Group of newspaper in the defunct Eastern region of Nigeria. He was also a very successful businessman in Kano. In Nnewi, each of the four arms has a traditional head called the Obi. Since Otolo is the first arm, the Obi of Otolo is also the Igwe of Nnewi. He leads rather than rules. Within the four arms, there are also villages, and within the villages, there are Umunna or big families. Each level has an Obi as its traditional head. The position of every Obi is hereditary by primogeniture. In the event that an Obi dies without a son, his oldest brother takes over. This tradition has existed since time immemorial. Nobody schemes to become an Obi because the throne is not open for contest. This has helped to ensure peace in the town for generations.
House of Sewa Entertainment, Sewa ENT-TV, promoting African culture, custom and tradition. If you love what we are doing and you want to support what we are doing or promote and advertise through this medium, contact us on the numbers displayed on your screen. To watch more videos, visit our social media handles. Subscribe to our YouTube channel at Sewa ENT-TV.